Alright, I gotta put some windshield wiper fluid in my truck. I ran out. Wind's been blowing, look at the tent. Yeah. Alright, windshield wiper. Good morning. It's 10:22. I'm getting a late start. Well, I don't know if it's a late start or not. I am headed to Yuma. I am going to Howling at the Moon. And so I'm going to go down a day early. And need to go to... I'm going to go to Walmart at some point. But I'm going to go to Sprouts today. And pick up... They've got some... buy one get one free on some meats, so I'm gonna go get some good organic grass-fed hamburger meat, some chicken. I've got the bottom part of my freezer cleaned out and made room, put some stuff in Deborah's freezer, kind of consolidate so we can do this meat haul is what I'm gonna call it. I've got pistachios, buy one get one free. A couple other little things I'm going to get. I don't really need any fruits or vegetables because I got those grapefruits at the farmer's market yesterday and the lemons. Made me some lemon water for the trip. Deborah had bought some of those peanuts, so she gave me some of those peanuts and some of those grapes for the road. I still have dates from the date farm. I don't know how long these last. Do y'all know? I think I asked that before, but it looks good. So I got one date for the road, but I have to go dump and get water first before I head to Yuma. There's a new dump station here in Quartzsite, and Dubs was telling me that Dan went, so I think I'm gonna go try it. And you kind of get spoiled. The last one I went to, I forgot the name of the place. But anyway, they have the sewer hose out and the water hose out. So, and it's nice and clean. You're not stepping in just junk. There at the LTBA, you know, even around the water, it's just stepping in mud. And not so bad when I have my hiking boots on, but these tennis shoes with that mesh, you get one little splash of water on you and it's on in your socks. So thought about going to look for some more shoes in Yuma. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I'm not sure really how long I'm staying. So I'm going to meet C-Dubs today. I don't know if Dan's coming today or tomorrow, but he'll be there. We'll be at the Howling. We'll be howling at the moon tomorrow. Yeah, we will. That's always a fun time. Cassandra's playing, so that's always a good time. And what else? Neighbors out here in the desert. Isn't that fun? Don't get water, and then I got to get diesel. I got just less than a half a tank, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill up here and then get on the road. Yeah, you ready, Sammy? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Just stop at the trash. Don't forget the trash. Don't forget the trash. That thing is just bouncing up and down. Alright, I'll be back on the road again. Look how nice. Two sides. The right side's water only, and you can drive out, and the left side is water and dump. There's 4 dump stations. Nice. So they offer gloves, and then the valve to wash out the hose. They have sanitary wipes and soap and a trash can. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. See the moon over Q. Not quartzite, but Kushan. Yeah, boy, it is crowded here tonight. There's about 10 of these that just left. They left their beer cans. Look how crowded it is. Woo! It is crowded today. They're having something. They're having something inside because we've seen a lot of people in suits and dressed up, and they had rolled out the red carpet for something. So it's crowded today. Guess I'll pick up these beer cans. And oh look, there's a trash can right there. Beer can, beer can, beer can, beer can, trash can. Okay, pet peeve. I have a few. Sammy, come on. Good morning. This is my breakfast this morning. 1 fried egg, a piece of toast, and a little bit of tomatoes. And I put some, I have this mixed up. I mixed it up myself, but it's turmeric, however you say it, pepper and garlic, and then I added a little salt. But yeah, this is my breakfast this morning. I'm at the Kushan Casino this morning, and we're gonna leave here, head to Howling at the Moon. Need to drink up this cranberry juice because I bought some carrot juice, pure carrot juice. I love when I don't have my juicer. I have to buy it, and it's pretty expensive. This is a good breakfast to get the day started. What do you think, Sammy? She says, yeah, okay. There she is. She's like, whatever. You haven't given me a bite, so. We are leaving the Kushan. I don't know if that's how you say it. That's how we say it. Kushan. And we are headed to, wow, it was warm today this morning. When I looked at the weather this morning when I got up, it was 60 degrees here. So I got up, made breakfast, y'all saw that, and I cooked Sammy's food real fast before it got any hotter. And we're on our way to Howling at the Moon. But first, we gotta eat panda. That's a given. Anytime we're in Yuma, we gotta eat panda. Panda Express. I got some of these chili lime pork skin thingies to snack on. They're pretty good because it
head south.
Shows that they're made with that tahini, which I love. I got these at Sprouts yesterday. I was so excited about going to Sprouts and taking y'all along because that's somewhere that has specialty foods. And I didn't record anything. Put Sammy's life jacket on. I was excited about going to Sprouts and getting some good meats. I got some chicken, and I got, I think, a stew meat that was on sale. Well, all of it was on sale. Buy one, get one half off. But the stew meat wasn't. It was just marked down. And I was gonna film some of it, going through the store looking for some goodies, and didn't even think about it until after I left Sprouts. And I was like, such a bad YouTuber. Such a bad, yeah, it's like, I've been doing this for 10 years and I still forget. Oh well. I had a blast. So, it is warm already today. It's gonna be warm at the Howling. It's gonna be warm sleeping in Yuma. That's the bad part about
Continue on I-8 East for 18 miles.
Driving here. As it gets later in the year, it gets hotter here in Yuma. So, and we didn't really have much of a winter, I don't feel like. So, anyway, we're gonna go eat Panda. And I won't need to eat anything else for the rest of the day.
Oh.
I'm waiting on my Beijing beef. It wasn't ready.
It's a sesame.
Sesame?
Mm-hmm. It looks like it's got sesame on it.
Alright, Panda is always good. Never have a complaint about it. Oh, I'm stuffed. And we're headed to Howling. And I'm following C-Dubs. I've not been to the new Howling at the Moon location. So, I'm going to follow her. She's been there. I saw it. I could find it if I had to because I saw it when we came into town when we first got here. When we came to Yuma first. But she knows exactly where it is. So, I'm going to follow her. And you can spend the night for a donation of $20. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to, I always want to call it Rock the Desert, and it's not Rock the Desert. We had a thing in West Texas called Rock the Desert, and I always try to call this Rock the Desert. But this is not. This is Howling at the Moon. So, get there and find a place to sit up my chairs outside. Me and Sammy's gonna sit outside and enjoy some sunshine. Yeah, it's a nice day. My truck says it's 75 outside. So it's gonna be a nice time. I don't know if I mentioned Cassandra Long Band's playing. Of course, that's about the only time I go to Howling. I didn't go last year at all. So this will be my first time in a while. We made it. I have a little tent up here. I guess this is where they collect the money. $20. Cars, motorhomes, 25 a night. Oh, they've gone up. 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $25 a night. Walk-ins, $5. Can we drive through? Hello.
Hi, how are you? You camping or?
Camping.
Okay, 25.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
So we can't drive our
$25. Let's see. Alright, I've made it to Howling. I'm parked here. The band is gonna be back over there somewhere. So Dubs usually sells shirts for them, so she's gonna park up there. I don't know where Dan will park, but it's too far for me to walk on these rocks in tennis shoes. So I'll probably, if I venture over there, it'll be once. That'll be enough, but I doubt I will head that way. I'll just set my chair up out here and somewhere out here and listen to the music. It's windy, so you're probably getting wind noise. But this is my backyard for this evening.